Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to give a reaction video on the iPhone 11 and the second one is this iPad. This iPad is of 8th generation. Let's get started. Oh my god, I'm really very excited to unbox this. This is in purple color. So let's unbox this. So yes. Okay, let's get going. Oh my. Okay. Oh wow. The purple color really looks cool. So this is how it looks. Oh my god, so nice. The color is very awesome and girlish. It's very nice. Okay, let's remove this plastic as well. Wow, look at this. It's very nice. It's very nice. Something different from white, silver and gold. So let's start this. Power on. It's starting now. Wow, it's really very cool. I like the color also. It's very nice. Hello. Swipe to open. Language English. Country India. Okay, I have to connect this with Wi-Fi, I guess. Let me start my hotspot. Okay, it may take few minutes to activate your iPhone. It's really very classy. Continue. How to set up Face ID. Get started. Okay, it's done. Face ID is now set up. Close. Password. Okay, signing with Apple ID and all. So I have to create one for this. So I'll set up this and show you at the end of this video the home screen of this iPhone. So let's now unbox the iPad. Yay! Oh my god, I'm feeling so excited, like wow. So let's unbox this iPad. So from where I should do it? Okay, I need a scissor for this. Oh god! Yay! This is in golden color. So let's remove this. Let's remove. Oh, ta-da! Okay, by the way, we get this USB cable with the iPhone and nothing else. Only USB cable. Okay. Oh. So this is in golden color. So let's remove the plastic. Ta-da! Oh god, so huge, golden color. Wow. So with this we get a charger, adapter and the USB. With this iPhone we get only USB. I guess I can use this with iPhone adapter. Yeah, I can use this. Oh god, I don't need to buy a new adapter for the iPhone. Oh, I'm so happy. I'm glad that it will work for iPhone as well. Yay! I have to don't spend money on this now. Okay. So let's start this device as well. From here we have to start. Ta-da! It's so fun. It's really very fun. It's booting up. Hello. Hola. Okay, many other language as well. Namaste. Okay, so I'm selecting the language and everything. So India. Okay, I'm setting up this as well. Then I'll show the home screen of this iPad and iPhone together. Okay, so I have just set up my phone. So yes, it looks like this. Yay! I'm so excited to use this. And also I've set up my Mac. So it is like this. Yay! I'm very excited to use both the products, and the colors are amazing as well. This is in gold and this is in purple. And of course, so new OS to get started. Let's see how it works. I'm very excited. Thanks for watching the unboxing video. Bye!